Welcome to Yummy Food Cravings. Today we are going to make amazing recipe beef steam roast. Take half kg of beef with bones. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well all these ingredients. Make sure all the spices stick to the beef. Marinate it for 1 to 2 hours. Now take aluminum foil, wrap each piece separately in the foil. It is really healthy recipes, as you can see it doesn't contain any. All the fat in the beef is enough for moisture. Now take a big pot. Add 1 liter of water into it. Put a stand inside. Place tray along with wrapped beef in the pot. Cover and cook on medium-low flame for 1 hour. You can check the tenderness of meat. It turned out so soft and yummy. Do try this amazing recipe and let us know about your feedback. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.